First, gather your components: a HyperX microphone like the Quadcast S, a boom arm with clamp base, a shock mount, and any adapters such as HyperX's boom mount kit. Screw the microphone into the shock mount, being careful not to over-tighten to avoid damage. Attach the shock mount to the boom arm's 5/8" thread for secure mounting. Secure the boom arm's base to your desk using the clamp, ensuring stability. Position the microphone 6 to 8 inches from your mouth at a 45-degree angle for optimal audio capture. Connect the cables and test your audio using HyperX Ingenuity software to adjust gain and monitoring. Use boom arm cable management to avoid tangles and strain. Adjust settings in HyperX Ingenuity for optimal audio quality. Boom arms reduce strain and improve ergonomics. Current trends include AI-assisted positioning. Expect boom arms with built-in sensors for real-time feedback in the near future. Eco-friendly accessories and hybrid setups combining mics with webcams are also on the rise. These trends show the increasing importance of ergonomic and high-quality audio setups for content creators.